Today I will teach you how to draw pears. Grab your pencil and follow along. Draw an oval shape with a narrow top like so. Add a small stem on top of it. Draw the line on the inside, on the right. Draw another oval shape on the left with a narrow top. Add a short stem on top. Add a small brushy shape on the bottom of both fruits like so. Draw a line around the inside of the first fruit. Draw a curvy shape inside of it. Draw two seeds inside that shape with a line in the middle. Add a leaf to both the fruits on the left and the right. Finally, color it in using cream, brown and light and dark green. For more Drawing Factory tutorials, like and subscribe.